Part 26 of chapter 3. On a certain occasion, one of his disciples complained to Jalal of the scantiness of his means and the extent of his needs. Jalal answered, "Out upon thee, get thee gone, henceforward count me not a friend of thine, and so peradventure wealth may come to thee." He then related the following anecdote. It happened once that a certain disciple of the prophet said to him, "I love thee." The prophet answered, "Why tarriest thou then? Haste to put on a breastplate of steel and set thy face to encounter misfortunes. Prepare thyself also to endure straitness, the special gift of the friends and lovers of God and his apostle." Of God and his apostle, or in the, parentheses. So, I guess it's not a part of the translation, but, straightness as in, stripped down to the basics, Another anecdote also he thus narrated. A Gnostic adept once asked of a rich man which he loved best, riches or sin. The latter answered that he loved riches best. The other replied, "Thou sayest not the truth. The better lovest sin and calamity. Seest thou not that thou leavest thy riches behind, whilst thou carriest thy sin and thy calamity about with thee, making thyself reprehensible in the sight of God? Be a man, exert thyself to carry thy riches with thee, and sin not, since thou lovest thy riches. What hast thou to do is this: send thy riches to God ere thou goest before him thyself. Peradventure they may work thee some advantage, even as God hath said in Surah 73, ayat 20 of Al-Quran, and that which ye send before for your souls of good works, ye shall find with God. He is the best and greatest in rewarding."